Hey, this is Truman Murphy, and I want to introduce to you today the new Primo series of spinning reels from Cadence. These reels come with a magnesium frame and side plate, which makes it extremely light without sacrificing strength. The Primo has a 10+1 ball bearing system, with 4 of those bearings being high-quality Japanese bearings. The carbon fiber drag system is extremely smooth and powerful. We've also sealed the drag system to help the longevity of the drag and to also keep water and dirt out. The carbon fiber handle is extremely strong, but also reduces the overall reel weight. The EVA handle knobs are comfortable, which is extremely crucial on those long days on the water. The one-piece aluminum bail is strong and durable. We've upgraded the spool to braid ready so that you can tie braid directly onto the spool without any mono backing.